Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can equip or unequip a rod skin in Fish It Roblox. So if you just got a super cool rare rod skin and want to show it off, or maybe you want to switch back to your original look, customizing your fishing rod is simple, and this is how you can do it in Fish It. So in here, I currently use this skin, and let's say I want to unequip the skins right here, so you can just click on the roads options in here. Okay, now this is the skin that I currently use. You can just click on unequip skin, and just like that, now the skin has been unequipped. And if you want to use it again, you can just click on the rods again and click on equip skin. So that's pretty much simple, and I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.